Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore will be finally returning to Earth after spending nearly 9 months in space. Her replacement Crew 10 docked from the International Space Station is on Sunday, March 16. After a 2-day handover period between Crew 10 and Crew 9, the latter is expected to return to Earth on March 19. Starliner astronauts Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore are part of Crew 9. The Crew 10, a replacement crew, onboard SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket, took off from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida at 7:03 p.m. Eastern Time on March 14. It is expected to arrive at ISS around 11:30 p.m. Eastern Time, Saturday, which is around 9 a.m. The Crew 10 members will officially become members of Expedition 72 after taking over duties and responsibilities from the departing members. SpaceX in a recent post on X confirmed Falcon 9 first stage booster landing and stated, "Landing confirmed, marking the 400th time a Falcon 9 first stage booster has landed." Sunita Williams officially handed over ISS command to Russian cosmonaut Alexei Ovchinin, who will lead operations for the next 6 months. Crew 10 astronauts are set to arrive at the ISS on Saturday. Sunita Williams, born in September 19, 1965, Euclid, Ohio, US and American astronaut who set records on her 3 flights to the International Space Station. In 1983, Williams entered the US Naval Academy at Annapolis, Maryland. She was made an ensign in 1987 and reported for aviator training at the Naval Aviation Training Command. In July 1989, she began combat helicopter training. She flew in helicopter support squadrons during the preparations for the Persian Gulf War and the establishment of no-fly zones over Kurdish areas of Iraq, as well as in relief missions during Hurricane Andrew in 1992 in Miami. In 1993, she became a naval test pilot, and she later became a test pilot instructor, flying more than 30 different aircraft and logging more than 2,770 flight hours. When selected for the astronaut program, she was stationed aboard the USS Saipan. In 2015, Williams was selected as one of 4 astronauts to make the first test flights in NASA's Commercial Crew program, in which 2 new private crewed spacecraft, SpaceX's Crew Dragon and Boeing's CST-100 Starliner, would take astronauts and supplies to the ISS. She was chosen in 2022 for the first crewed test Starliner flight to the ISS, which launched on June 5, 2024, with Barry Wilmore as commander and Williams as pilot. Starliner docked at the ISS a day after its launch, and the flight was originally scheduled to last for about 1 week. However, during the flight to the ISS, 5 thrusters failed, and helium leaks were detected in its propulsion system. NASA delayed Starliner's return to Earth until it was sure that the craft could re-enter safely. Williams and Wilmore joined the ISS crew. NASA decided in August 2024 that, because of safety concerns, the next mission to the ISS, SpaceX Crew 9, would launch in September with 2 astronauts instead of 4 and that Williams and Wilmore would return to Earth with the Crew 9 astronauts on their Dragon spacecraft in February 2025. The Starliner returned empty in September 2024.